Well, now look at this. The spread on our old friend, the Hamburg Commercial Bank 0.5% 22s finally reverted, and some sizable returns were made on the trade ideas featuring the HCOB 22s as the buy leg. Now, I have to issue an apology in advance for my pronunciation of Hamburg. Unfortunately, I butchered the pronunciation of Hamburg, and I dearly apologize to anyone that reviews our June updates. For now, I'm going to stick with saying HCOB 22s. Now, we have mentioned this issue several times during the month of June due to its relatively high spread amongst its peers. Throughout the month, Katana has suggested more than 30 trades with the HCOBs as the buy legs. In late June, the HCOB 22s were holding on to a Z-spread of 196, while the average spread of a group of comparable bonds was at 52. We initially mentioned the HCOB 22s on June 10th when we demonstrated how to use the tilt feature on the monitor. A green tilt of 33 meant that Katana identified 33 trades with HCOB 22s as the buy leg, which indicated the HCOB 22s were cheap. We also demonstrated how to use the bookmark feature when we bookmarked the SocGen 22 idea. On the 25th of June, we highlighted the HCOB 22s again as one of our 4 European financials that look cheap. Now to the trade idea that we highlighted and bookmarked on June 10th. We picked the SocGen 22s as the sell leg because it is a senior non-preferred and had a recent S&P downgrade. From mid-May to June 10th, SocGen 22s were in a reverting trend while the HCOB 22s were widening out. This led to a dramatic rise in the difference. At a 115 spread, we made our bookmark. The spread difference increased through the month of June as the SocGen 22 spread stabilized in a range between 75 and 85 while the HCOB 22s continued to widen out. On the final day of trading in June, the HCOB 22 spreads plummeted from 145 to 116 and then to 77 on July 2nd. The spread difference compressed from 122 on June 30th to -1 on July 2nd. The total return for the HCOB 22 leg would have been approximately 45%, and the net total return on a DV01 neutral basis for the trade idea would have been approximately 34%. If you're interested in finding ideas similar to the HCOB 22s, sign up for a free trial.